Hey guys, good morning. Andrew Pepper coming to you live from beautiful Land O'Lakes, Florida. We are here at my friend Steven Peterson's beautiful new home. This is a key ceremony for an organization that I am very passionate about called Homes for Our Troops. We build homes for veterans that have lost limbs, so lost legs, arms, paralyzed, lost their vision. Men and women that are heroes that serve this country at the highest level. And so today, shortly, we're going to start the key ceremony at 10 o'clock, and we're going to celebrate this veteran and thank him for his service and his sacrifice to this country. And we'll take you through the home later this afternoon, but I just want you to take a look at. I actually met Steven and Brittany at a key ceremony in September of 2018 at a home quite a bit like this for Staff Sergeant Carl Moore. And so in a little bit, we will be right here for a ribbon cutting and handing over this veteran keys to his beautiful new home. And if it sounds like I'm emotional and choked up about this, it is. Because this is something I'm extremely passionate about. You know, we were put here for two reasons: to love and to serve. And this man has done both. And I just, every day, want to wake up and figure out how I can become better, how I can love better, and how I can serve others. And this is one way that I love to do that, by saying thank you to our veterans. Thank you to our community. And I'm excited for him to move into this beautiful new home today. If you guys are interested in donating to a cause like this, we have plenty of other homes that we're a part of all across the country. If you want more information about coming to a groundbreaking or a work day where we lay sod and shrubs, or even coming to a key ceremony like this to see a veteran hero, it's a gorgeous fish just swam away. This is how we welcome our veterans home. They deserve it, every bit of this. I'm honored to know Steven and his family and excited for the rest of the day. I love you guys. Have an awesome weekend. God bless.